Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Look at the gold market right now as usual. So gold market shows really weak action within the last probably 3-4 sessions, so no action we have here. So market just stands flat since the beginning of the week. So this market has shown the gap open on the new information from the North Korea. But since then it stands mostly flat. So you can see that yesterday's session was mostly inside one to this Tuesday, and right now I also see a very small range of trading, so nothing actually is going on here. That's why, as we said in the previous videos, that market right now stands in strong resistance on the weekly chart around the area of the yearly pivot resistance 1. It's also his completed weekly target. So now the major concern is whether it will show any response to this area. And currently, guys, at the 1340, 1330, 45 area with this spike up, market stands in an area where actually some kind of the edge to show this retracement. So any upward action, if market will exceed the 1345, 1347 area and continue to move higher, it means that market is on the way to the next target. Next target is 1377, 1380 weekly destination point. But as market is calling around 1340, it still has chance to show the bounce down. Currently, it's a bit maybe not too reasonable to count on deep retracement, but reaction to the nearest fib levels around 1308 and retesting of this broken area, this will be very probable. This could happen. That's the action that we are watching for. But for that purpose, as we said yesterday also, we need to see what response market could show on the bearish pattern that has been formed recently. So on the hourly chart, as you can see, the butterfly has been completed. We have talked about it in detail. This market has completed 1618 butterfly. So technically, guys, overall background stands in place. So we have the strong resistance on the high time frames. We have the bearish reversal pattern on the intraday chart. The final part of this pattern is not really very bullish, so price actions mostly looks very choppy. Not some kinds of the thrust, something of that sort we did not see here. It's mostly very choppy price action. That's why everything from the technical point of view has been done to start the retracement. Now we're just watching what pattern could be formed to trigger this retracement. And right now, guys, the pattern that we see is only pattern. In fact, some kind of the hand shoulders is forming here. This could become left shoulder, head. Market right now is forming some kind of the right shoulder. In today's session, guys, it seems that it will be difficult to count on some drop below 1325. So that's the minimum target that we could suggest during today's session. If price action will lead to the failure of this potential pattern and start to move higher again and taking out with the stop, so that probably will be a clear sign that market stands on the way on the upward continuation, and no retracement probably we will get. But currently, as you can see, some shape of the hand shoulders is forming. That's in fact the only pattern that we have here. This could be you could watch for. But as you can see, its action is very heavy, not really. It's even a bit blur shape of the hand shoulders itself. That's why I think that's hardly we could count on something greater than the 1325 drop today. So that's what we see right now on the gold market. In general, guys, even reaction on the strong level that has been reached looks really weak. So it's not normal. That's why the chances on retracement are not really significant, or at least retracement will be probably really small. So 1325 is the level that could be reached, and maybe mostly due to the Draghi speech today. If the speech will be a bit dovish and mostly dollar supportive, so this could lead to some reaction here as well.